Koro and they hear me whine. I say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for Go TV. And today now Friday, and on Friday we do the Jollof edition with a little bit of small chops. Sake of say all of the action today from Monday go reach Thursday with waiting the rain now. We go carry everything, put inside pot like concussion. Turn am, give you opportunity to chook mouth inside and talk and do anything bring you for body, so that those who they lead this country go here, do the necessary thing to move our country forward. My name na Ezogo Chokwode, and as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. We there with one ogbonge visitor, and my brother wey sabi well as they concern the political matter, as it is hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Welcome to the second edition of that Ogbonge program, as it is hot. On today's matter, as usual, we will give them up-to-date information from waiting we talk from Monday reach and yesterday with Thursday, so that those of you who miss out now, if you do it now, if you contribute, because we also need a contribution, because everything that to do it, that to collectively bring us together, at least make government hear us, make us, we will take move the country forward. We get to the solid telephone line for them. I don't forget that one. 3 and 1 toll-free line. Toll-free line is saying I go call, I go talk, and I go express themselves. But when it comes to the payment, I leave that one for us to go take care of that one. My name never has to change. My name is Uncle B, and this is now Ask It Hot.
Our Ogbonge visitor will go join us to chook mouth inside all of the story when we discuss today. Now, seasoned barrister, that is to say, him be lawyer when we say they don't cook and where he don't done. Anything we concern law for inside Obodo, Nigeria and the world, if he talk, everybody go stand up say yes. Waiting talk now confirm. And in the very, very special sake of say anything we get to do with badness inside this country, the thing they give a headache. If we talk any bad thing, in body go they shake. Because he just want to make it be say now only good things with the experience for inside this our Obodo, Nigeria. And they talk of no other than Barrister Ahmed Adetola Kazeem.
Good morning, no.
Welcome
to us.
I just this your jollof rice to we talk.
Jollof and small chops.
I don't tap because they chop you.
No. Barrister, we get one tradition on top of us. You don't know now. Before we start, we like shake hands with our Ogbonge visitors there, so that when we begin the discussion, it no go be like say we dey quarrel. Welcome to us the hot.
No shake. Well done.
Make we not waste time now. Make we just drop all the topics so that we'll give you opportunity to just chook mouth inside. On Monday, we do the tier rubber. That is to say, all of the action to the way happen for Nigeria over the weekend. We will carry them, drop them down, and come chook eye inside, making it for no loss, making it not be like say we lock shop on Friday, carry key go, we can't forget everything about us in the hot. And our first story get to do with the 45% increment when happen for inside light money inside Obodo, Nigeria. We can't talk and say NLC versus federal government season 2. The reason why we bring this story first, na sake of say that Monday I make 7 days since NLC and civil liberty organizations draw ear, give NERC and federal government say make them revert, that is, make them carry go back to status quo antebellum. I go speak Latin. Our lawyer they understand. Uncle we go they confused somehow. That is, make them go to the price when we say the thing day before they increase them by 45%, or they give government 14 days, or else they go make sure say every activity for inside this country the thing break down. By the time what they do is small chops, we go check progress for inside this particular story, because our Senate there for plenary, they don't come out, come talk, say, make NERC, make them revert to the price when it's in day before. Whether they go follow this order, we go check all the story when we begin to discuss with our Ogbonge visitor. We also talk about another bailout for the states there, because they talk, say, for the corridors of power, you get some kind of states when on they waka anyhow. They don't greet Oga Presido, say, good morning, sir. They pass. Oga President say, good morning. No. They come back again and say, good morning, sir. He say, good morning. They come back the third time. He can say, why are you greeting me anyhow? They can say, sir, it's like that bailout that you give us that time. It's like the thing. Oga President come to say, it's like what? Let me not even hear anything at all. If I hear it's like, go home. Go and know how you are going to be generating money. We can't hear G say some of our governors there, under the aegis of the Northern Governors Forum, say they don't come decide, say, okay, if not to improve health, security, agriculture, education for their states, say then go outside, go liaise with people who get love for this thing when they want to do for their people, and then go support them. We can't move to the next story when get to do with the 2016 budget. We can't ask, say, whether by chance, the monkey hand wey don enter inside the budget, if e don tey inside, if we look am, if e change to chicken leg, people for Nigeria don dey talk say the best thing to do with that budget when they talk say na budget of change na to make sure say mistake no dey inside so that wahala no go dey inside. Say no management for this 2016 budget wey suppose be budget of change. We can also talk about the $66.5 billion when we say Oga Femi Falana draw here give federal government say this money when we say they suppose go recover when they never recover am, say he give them small time for them to recover am or else he go carry waka go court go disgrace them for there, because we no fit dey claim say we no get money and some people dey hold this our money and we no go fit collect the money. We can't top am up with one story when get to do with security inside Obodo, Nigeria. Our soldier people, they don tie the Boko Haram people for the northeast and they free plenty people. We can also talk about Fulani headsmen and the statement when we say Oga Solomon Arase, Inspector General of Police talk. He may come and talk say some of these headsmen say they come from Niger Republic, they come from Chad, they come from Cameroon. People come they ask say, shey grass don finish for Chad, for Niger and Cameroon when we say na only Nigeria, I mean Nigeria don turn everybody backyard. This na all the story when we carry come on Monday and when we discuss as e dey hurt.
Yes, and on Tuesday, we can carry the matter, enter into the massive sack where Oga Presido carry out, where he sack about 24 people where they had the government parastatals. He sacked them onto say, look, say the kind of result where I they expect for now they give me. People can't look the whole matter, can't say, look, it is not about sacking and just sacking. It is about, okay, these people, you don't really, some of them get their tenure, we still they waiting, we still they go on. Or how come you could just sack them like that onto waiting, where their tenure never finish? And consider the fact say someone saw a constitution also back their stay as long as they there for them to even finish their tenure before they will do it, before they will say okay, if you sack me now. Some people can talk say, look, it is not about sacking. It is also about if you go sack, choose the right set of people or people who fit do the job, carry them out well. You go take do it, you go take replaced for this position, because make not just be like say as people just they talk, be like say someone be like say they want to can do it in compensate some members of the ruling party, some members of the political party where they head us right now, because now waiting part of waiting the speculation where they go around. But people basically because they look, all we want is make this country move forward. If they sack and replace with people who go fit do the work well. Now what we'll talk about on Tuesday be that.
On Wednesday, we can look the Likiliki border for inside Obodo, Nigeria, and the fact say Nigerian customs when they for Tinkan Island when they inside Lagos, they don't show say no be only decoration, that they decorate our seaports because they do plenty work. And they talk say you get 140-foot container when we say 2 motor they inside, and inside this motor they hide different weapons them inside. They talk say because of the eagle eye, that is they shine their eye, they can't intercept this particular container, and they can't check all the things where they say, can't hand them over to DSS. But people can't talk say wait so. This thing when they come from the United States of America, who be the person when place this order? This thing when they come inside Nigeria, who be the person when go receive am? Plenty people come back and say, well, poor man no get power to carry container put on top of high sea. Poor man no get power to make phone call, enter USA, say, I need 40-foot container. Say, make our security people them, make them do more than just say, then catch one suspect, they can hand over the person to DSS. Say, all the rackets or the syndicate, that is, the big people, when we say that then they sponsor all these kind of things, they ensure, say, then catch them. Now, only when they catch those people, now in the ordinary man, when we say, oh, not to just go carry this thing, now he no go fit do am so. And people come and contact say, we get over 1,001 unmanned entry points inside this country. That is to say, person if they inside Cameroon just look say, it's like the breeze in Nigeria is blowing very, very coolly. He go just cross, enter. Person if they inside Chad just to say, it be like say the Agbalumo when come out for Nigeria, the thing sweet well. He go just cross inside, come there. Some of you all look say,
I want to buy Roro.
I want to go buy granola for inside Nigeria. He go just enter. He can't be like say Nigeria don't turn country where we say anybody if you just stroll, enter inside. We don't say ECOWAS then get rules when they talk say okay, free movement. But you don't go allow person just enter inside your country. If the person they enter, what thing he can do? If the person won't come stay, what thing go be the work when he go do? What thing go be the significant contribution when he go contribute for inside Obodo Nigeria? Nigeria no be where anybody go just come, just talk say in one con day. Somebody can't talk about when boss our head. It does say those of us will be 170 million plus Nigerians. We don't even know where we dey. It can't be people where they come from outside. So this one a big lesson to our government people. Make them try secure our territorial integrity so that people no go just they enter inside our country anyhow, come they do badness. When they finish, they will go back to their country.
And from there, yesterday issue, we can kind of enter into the issue of the problem of cultism for Obodo Nigeria. Waiting be the solution. Because we'll be hearing reports say, you get one, this will happen, one fight will lead to killings of some people for River State. Where we say the images, the pictures we will see, not be waiting with fit and do it. We'll not be waiting with fear encourage people who don't get river to go do it and to go look. Because just as Chukwudi talk about that day, we see cases where they come out people head somehow. And these are issues, this now waiting the issue of cultism don't cause with that. We also bear in mind saying the commissioner for police for inside those states also come and talk, say, look, say this issue of cultism, you don't pass that level, say make we just look adults, or make we just look youths. Say, even for primary school, that is ordinary primary school, say they do it, say they don't even get cultism for inside them. Say now this one even fair and pass. So we can't carry the matter as our view as they call now, people can't bring in their own opinion. Say, look, this issue of say Pikin spoil, if they join court, say now waiting, say you go blame the parents. For some people talk, so they go blame the school way, the kind of friends that they move around with. Some people talk, so they go even blame the government. But whoever we will go blame. The issue be say we need to find solution to this thing, and that's one of the major reasons why we present that matter. So at least collectively, as government they hear us, as papa and mama they hear us, and we said as they listen to what they talk. At least we go feed it collectively find solution to the issue of cultism. Now, what we talk about yesterday with that?
Una don hear all our story from Monday go reach Thursday. Before we drop the small chops, we go allow our ogbonge visitor when we say he don dey digest everything. To follow us, chook mouth into some of these stories. We go begin from Monday first. We know say that one don't follow last week go, but we need to talk am because it is very very important. Make we know where we dey come from so that we go know the direction when we dey go. Barrister, welcome once again to As E Dey Hot.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
We make we begin with what we start with on Monday. We've been talking about the 45% increment on the part of the NERC and the fact say organized labor come and talk say no, they no fit support this one at all, and they go make sure say they resist am. They give government and NERC 14 days ultimatum, but it be like say the way anything don dey now, the case don dey settled because our Senate don come and talk say I go talk the Latin again. Say make dem revert to status quo ante. Could be you are in trouble on this show. Make dem revert to lawyer and
Lawyer to be.
You understand? My pikin go be lawyer. My pikin see lawyer and papa lawyer. Okay, let's leave it like that.
Pikin wey you don born, abi don wey.
If my pikin become lawyer, it concern you. Don't even let me start with you this morning.
No, Barrister, you see,
I don't know wetin dey pay you.
I'm just being cool.
Yeah, cool.
I'm being myself.
Calm and collected.
No,
Why would you be cool? Status quo antebellum. Oh yeah, status quo antebellum.
Chuku dey talk.
I know say the thing they chook you for
Talk
heart.
wetin you wan talk.
Say me they revert to status quo antebellum. How the situation take be now? Where will they go from here now?
Yes, first and foremost, the thing be say, it no make sense. This increment no make sense at all. Now be say, in my own view, though some people get other explanation economically. But all this economic theory we just the year, as far as I'm concerned.
Theory.
Because we know if they pay for darkness.
Of course.
And before you talk, say you want increase, 45%, first and foremost, it did too much. Because they talk, say they arrange and say 45%, they can't reduce them. To me, it don't make sense. You understand? So if they go increase at all, for my house now, we don't get prepaid meter. Now we just bring anything where they like.
If you decide to say, our people blast it.
Like today, now when they bring waiting at the owe, they talk say I go pay like almost 5,000 for this month alone. I mean, they know they bring that kind of thing before. You understand?
They
so
just assume.
They just assume, say, this house, if like say fine.
They go get flat
screen. They will get money.
Because they know they read meter, they know they do anything. So, you know, to me, it don't make sense. Waiting labor they do, when they just try to maintain them, and when they try to stand their ground. And Senate don't talk. When they go back, we need to be creative for this country. Because now, dollar don't rise.
Yes.
Taxes. Government, they reach everybody, say, we will collect all these taxes, everything they... You understand? We have to find a middle level. So some people don't go die. Because if they think, you know, if you just they think like elites alone.
They think for BP people.
What of those people when
they call them Mekunu.
when they the grassroots? I want make them survive. So my own be say, make them just raise these things more. Be creative, create other avenues where if you carry this money.
Exactly.
Barrister, you don't finish talk on top of this matter. We could just join these two stories together so that everything will go. And the 2016 budget, when they talk, say, be like, say, some kind of figure enter inside. Some Nigerians don't look and say, the economy, they strong, we they wait. May we just allow the thing take go like that. Wagola, may you mix them with the fact, say, some of our state governors, they don't greet Oga Presido 3 times for the corridor of power. He comes, they say, what in they want, they call it, say, it's like, just join the two together.
Well, to me, people, they're very irresponsible. And I will say our government, generally. The president don't they do things like don't they sack budget people, don't they? But how will that thing enter? Where minister no go know? Where you understand? Because some ridiculous thing happen for that budget. You understand? Where hospital they get one hospital, the money where they allot and they get money pass other hospital where they the country. It don't make sense. Where budget, they talk say you won't fight corruption. Anti-corruption this thing, it there for president body. You can't reduce the budget for judiciary after we abuse judges, abuse lawyers, abuse EFCC. Last year, now 73 billion. Now they allot to judiciary. This year, now 70 billion. Like 4 years ago, now 93 billion. Everything they reduce day by day.
But
executive, they get what they want. Legislature, they get what they want.
But Barrister, if you go look, okay, you talk say last year, soon this now 70 something. But make we also look at you should notice a part of waiting don't also allow that. So okay, make we still maintain on that same figure way we almost live last year now because of the present situation of the country right now economically.
It doesn't make sense because some they increase. Some, when they're not supposed to maintain the number, they still maintain them. So it don't make sense. If they talk say now, the judges are overworked. There's no everybody knows that. Judge, in a day, they get like 43 cases. How you won't cope?
You know the machine now.
How you won't do the correct thing?
43 cases.
See, we get cases, Supreme Court cases, where we say, like I get one case for Supreme Court now, where they do. Where we say the case don't dead there. When we file the case for High Court in 1988,
1988.
That I said, I never even reached.
19, where were you?
You go there like SS3.
Don't say, now. Don't please.
Why you ask me say where were me? Why you ask me say no?
No, it is a question.
How
old were you then?
And I gave you back that you were in SS3.
You even said that time. I see they crawl.
The matter don't the Supreme Court since 2005.
Hi.
You understand?
88.
So now you see, you can imagine the backlog of cases where they. So there are a lot of problems. So government, you know, if they staff judiciary, they consider their business. It don't make any sense. Though we not say lawyers, they, like Falana talk yesterday when we go EFCC chairman office. Say good lawyers there.
No, of course, that one will not take that one away.
Good judges there, bad judges there. But if people are overall, then go write nonsense. People still they work. This time and age, judges still they write long hand. They write everything. Now everything lawyer go say, all the nonsense where this one talk, you go write them. All the nonsense where this one talk, you go write them. All the time make sense from all the nonsense.
He don't everything don't turn less in notes.
One doctor they talk say when in the US for 1984, when they doing doctorate, say courts already don't get automatic recording. 1984. 1984. They don't get. Some say you go just go the place now. You go just need to press something. You go just bring out.
Waiting they talk.
You don't need them seamlessly. We did 2016 now.
And yes,
we never even get ourselves.
So, Barrister, from this particular talk, now this one is very, very clear. Say that 2016 budget, we must ensure, say, we do them well.
We do the right thing.
So that we don't go make
those who are supposed to increase, we increase them. Those who are supposed to slash, we slash them. Those who are supposed to remove entirely, we remove them.
Like the case of the 10 billion naira where they say they don't know where from Waka. Okay, Barrister, make we enter into this one. We don't hear under cases of some governors. We gather say, look, that money we now give us that time. People say it don't finish. Right about now, they can't carry Waka, can't they somehow won't come meet Oga Presido again to do it to borrow them other money. As if they don't get state where they run. As if they don't get a mean, they don't feel probably source a source of generating money for themselves. If we go continue this way, which way out?
I think
which way out? Because we really need to address this matter.
My papa grant one interview, maybe like about 5 years ago or thereabout. He talk say one of the way I will say, we'll just go back to regions. We'll be say this state thing. Maybe like say you know one day viable. Someone just return to maybe like eight regions. Maybe so that it go reduce all this overhead, all this. You get what I talk? So I think say some states sincerely they're not viable.
In fact,
And
They know because of the leaders who didn't get
yeah,
because of it.
because of the leaders we didn't get. Yes, majorly. Because we get people who know they're creative. You understand? Land mass day, agriculture day, invest properly. But you know, people now they know they selfless again. Now money where people want chop, now it be the most important thing. Not be the people where they want serve. I they read this UAE Prime Minister book. I don't really like 2 of his books for this past days. If he talk one thing, he go talk about in people. And he go talk say the leaders we don't pass. Say they always look at future. They go to look and say waiting. They're going to do things now because people where they then they're not going to understand. When they want to do the palm estates, where they do the palm island, where they do. When the first building, they tell me they do, maybe they just do and circle. You know, that one talk say, this one not going to make sense. We will create because we also want to be world leaders. When we do things where people never do before, they go do artificial pots. They go dig up because they can't do and why. People come ask and say, why they do this thing? He said, don't worry, I see a future. The person will do himself, not even there to see the fruit of what he do. But he know say the children
future
will
not secure.
But our people now they do one-time projects.
We no go even finish.
They'll go snap 600 pictures. They'll go snap 600 pictures.
So now one-time project they do sometimes not be even one-time self. Maybe 1 year project.
Can't use that the campaign.
So that we go feel get something to talk about 100 days.
Some go even put themselves for billboard. You know how many roads they don't finish for paper when they never start. So now lack of creativity and lack of the love. Lack of
barrister. If you talk say lack of creativity, I no go to agree with you. Because I don't believe, say, for you to have taken up the leadership of, say, you want to become governor. Yeah. At least.
No, that I know. Because of say you want to become governor, no, say you go there creative.
No,
if you there and you know,
you're not creative as a governor, but you go get people around you who go help you.
All of them be the same thing now. All of them be the same thing.
You not go say this person.
Look at what
Sokoto governor do. You just see her for Facebook. See say person they build car. You just they do all this caricature car. You just build them and they think fine. You call them. He sponsor them to America. That one now what they call where in unknown places he just carry person. She said this one. Like
exactly. But I try. You go see him as say not being creative or just being say negligence because me I will see negligence as part of it. You go no say this thing now what is supposed to go just avoid that.
Now everything join. Now they be them now how to chop corruption,
enrich themselves,
lack of creativity. Now everything join. But some people won't. Now only corruption they get. They still they creative. So they go people not
they chop. They use creativity.
They're not going to get them easily. Like we go soon get them. We go soon get all of them. But they just say this person they do this person.
So our people waiting for us, I don't see as we discuss all of the action to when they happen inside Obodo, Nigeria, when we discuss on top of Asile Hot this week. We still there on top of Monday. And our Ogbonge visitor, Barrister Ahmed, I go call his name in full. Barrister Ahmed Adetola Kazim. Now somebody when me say, once in the I go speak English, I'm sorry, postulate, everybody go break. When we go this break, come back.
Break the English, postulate, tell them what it means.
Let's go to break and come back.
That is not the meaning of postulate.
Let me go to break and I will tell you now. When we go this break, come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.